Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Welcome to our ASUS RP-AC53 Wi-Fi Extender Setup Guide. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the complete installation and configuration process, including accessing the ASUS repeater setup page, connecting to your existing Wi-Fi network, and troubleshooting common setup issues. Perfect for beginners and first-time users. This guide is ideal for anyone looking to improve home Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate wireless dead spots. Perfect for beginners and first-time users. So let's start the video. Firstly, plug the ASUS RP-AC53 into a wall outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Turn on the power switch if available. Wait about 1 minute for the extender to boot completely. Verify that the power LED becomes solid. Tip: during the initial setup, keep the extender in the same room as your router. On your computer, laptop, or smartphone, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default Wi-Fi name such as ASUS RP-AC53. Click the network and connect to it. No password is usually required during the first setup. Open any browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar type http://router.asus.com. You can also try 192.168.50.1. Press Enter. This will open the ASUS Quick Internet Setup page. The setup wizard will ask you to choose a working mode. Select Repeater Mode. This allows the extender to connect to your existing Wi-Fi router and expand its coverage. Click Next to continue. The extender will automatically scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. A list of available networks will appear. Select your main router Wi-Fi network. Example: Home Wi-Fi, My Router Network. Click Next. Type the password of your existing router Wi-Fi network. Make sure the password is correct. Click Next. The extender will now prepare to connect to the router. Now you can choose the name for your extended Wi-Fi network. You can either use the same Wi-Fi name as your router for seamless roaming, or create a new name such as Home Wi-Fi_EXT or Home Wi-Fi_5G_EXT. Click Apply or Next. The extender will save the settings. The device will restart automatically. This process usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Once the LED becomes stable again, the extender is connected. Now setup is complete. After setup, connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network for better coverage throughout your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.